Rising above the eastern edge of Corfu's Old Town is one of the island's most iconic landmarks, the Old Fortress. Built on a rocky peninsula and surrounded by the sea on three sides, this massive structure has been protecting the island for centuries. The fortress we see today was largely developed by the Venetians during the 16th century, when Corfu was one of the most important defensive outposts in the Mediterranean. To strengthen the defences, the Venetians even carved up a deep moat into the rock, separating the fortress from the town and effectively turning it into a fortified island. Today, visitors can cross the bridge and explore the fortress themselves. Entry is around €10 for adults, with reduced tickets for seniors and other groups. Opening hours change depending on the season. During the summer months, the fortress usually stays open much later in the evening, while in the winter season, last entry is around 3 p.m, so it's best to arrive earlier in the day if you're visiting outside the main tourist season. Once inside, you'll find pathways, thick defensive walls, and open courtyards that reveal layers of Corfu's history. The fortress was designed to withstand attack, and it played a key role in defending the island from repeated Ottoman invasions. One of the most interesting buildings inside the fortress walls is the Church of St. George. Built during the British period in the early 19th century, its architecture is quite unusual for a church. With tall columns and a rectangular design, it looks more like an ancient Greek temple than a traditional Orthodox church. But the real highlight of the fortress is the climb to the top. If you follow the deep stone pathways all the way up toward the old lighthouse, you'll reach one of the best viewpoints anywhere on the island. The walk can be a bit of a climb, but the views from the top are absolutely worth it. From here, you can see across the entire old town of Corfu, the red rooftops, the huge town square, and the deep blue waters of the Ionian Sea stretching out in every direction. The Old Fortress is more than just a historic site. It's a place that shows you just how strategically important Corfu once was, sitting right at the crossroads between Europe and the Ottoman world. Today, it's one of the most impressive viewpoints on the island and an easy place to spend an hour exploring when visiting Old Corfu Town. If you found this insightful, please hit the like and subscribe button. Until next time, keep on adventuring.